And with the Independence Day holiday approaching, it's more important than ever to get your animals microchipped, as the country routinely sees a 30% increase in lost pets between July 4th and the 6th. Now, the pet microchips are a tiny scannable device inserted just under the skin that provides vets and animal control a permanent identification, making reunions with their owners quick and easy instead of a long wait taking up space in the shelter, which is currently at maximum capacity.
So 1 in 3 pets goes missing in its lifetime, in particular over the Independence Day holiday. There's a number of public fireworks shows that are put on. There are also just your neighbors potentially setting off their own fireworks. And so it's important to do for both cats and dogs to come in and just get your pets microchipped for the $13. It's a super easy process. Implanting the chip takes seconds, filling out the paperwork takes minutes, and then we register that for you.
The shelter is working on plans to get microchip scanner kiosks installed around the community to make it easier for found pets to get identified and reunited.